pants. Come in my pants. Come in my pants. You know what I was thinking on the way up the stairs? Like we can make what for the vagina.
What? Wait. What?
No, it's
Do my vash? In my vash?
no, it's 409 in my vagina. 409 in my vagina.
That would sting like a motherfucker.
But the point is, the storyline breaks down to this bitch has a herpes and she's not gonna get laid.
She's got 409
No.
in her vagina.
So you use
409
409 and clean it out. 409 in my vagina. 409 in my vagina.
Wow. That's kind of
You want 409 in my vagina? Hell yeah.
409 in my vagina? You want 409 in my vagina?
It's gotta make more sense though.
That makes no sense.
I have
But
herpes
that makes a
in my
lot of
vagina.
sense. That makes a lot of sense right there.
Were they at our party?
No, this is a different party.
Everybody's going as that swimmer guy.
That isn't Michael Phelps.
Oh my god.